Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.
Hi, my name is Stanley Micklavzina from the University of Oregon Department of Physics in Eugene, Oregon, USA. I want to share something with you very quickly. I have an infrared remote control in my hand, and if I put it really close to the camera and I push the buttons on it, you can actually see the infrared light coming out of the remote control. You could do that experiment on your own also and show your friends by using your cell phone camera. If you're going to use an iPhone camera, try using the selfie camera for it because it has a tendency to pick it up a little bit better. I also have here some friends that I want to share with you right now. First of all, Albert Einstein. Yay, Albert. And 2 oscillating toys from Ljubljana, Slovenia. And Nikola Tesla. And why are they all here? They are here to celebrate, along with me, Hišo Eksperimentov's 25th birthday. And what better way to do it than with a Tesla coil and some fluorescent tubes lying around. The fluorescent tubes will light up with the coil because of the high electric field will ionize the gas inside the tubes. But I have to turn the lights out. Happy birthday, Hišo. Happy birthday, Hišo! Hvala lepa!
Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je